So before we start this video, I'm just gonna ask you guys to quickly like and hit that subscribe button for more content. Okay, I'm done being annoying. Let's continue. Hey guys, so today I'm just gonna come down here. I got an email saying my packages have been delivered. Basically, I got 3 big ass packages. Okay.
Let me show you.
Boom. Boom. Wait, why is this the same size as me? That's fucking horrifying. Okay. We're also not gonna talk about how small I am. Okay, because I already know. Okay, guys, let's open. Wow. What's happening? What's happening? Where is this from? There's just warning labels on it. Anyhow, whatever it is, it's packaged nicely. Except, this is a little open. Guys! I think it's from Zaful. I could be very wrong though. Let me just before I say anything. Guys, where the fuck is this? It's from Shein! Okay. Wow. The inside of this jacket. This is a black jacket. I know I'm such a basic bitch, but oh, wait a minute. Wait a fucking minute. Is there a hood in this? Oh, there's a hood. Oh my god, wait. Oh, guys. Wait, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. I'm not mad at all. Let's do a crazy thing and try the hoodie. Oh my god, it's for big heads like mine. We love a good hobo look. Wow. Well, the only thing is that I would wear something under it. Like right now I'm wearing a t-shirt under it, but it's kind of not nice on your skin. But oh my god, this is like a really nice fall coat. This is comfy, but it's also like keeps you kind of warm. Wow, I'm happy. Thank you, Shein. And then it looks like we have a pair of pants, you guys. Let me tell you the tea about me and pants. I'm small, right? However, I'm nervous for pants because I need pants. Pants are a different kind of story. We gonna try anyways. Okay, so they're gonna be a little long, which is literally nothing new to me, but we're gonna try them on. Okay, I'm not super mad at all. Wow, they're actually not bad. They're like really comfy, and they look good, and they're stretchy. They're so stretchy. Oh my god, I hope people aren't looking at me. We'll do the big one last, okay? Oh, you know what this is? This is from Etsy. Okay, I'm not too mad. I'm really not, but like, Etsy's a little risky, you guys. We all know what this is. But it's actually not bad. I'm really not mad. Huh, I'm Dr. Seuss. What? And let's see what the inside. Oh, bitch. We love some nice static. Oh, it even has wish you were here on the back. Oh, it's gonna be a little tight. We're gonna. Ready to see my hair all staticky? I am. Okay. A little chill, comfy sweater. Okay, I'm not mad. Hello, scissors. I'm really cheery. Pop, pop, pop. Cool. This is Zaful. The suspected big item in this bag. So one thing I will say, and what other people have said, is that it's hard to unzip and zip up because of the feather, but the inside is like nice. Okay. Okay, there we go. Hey. Oh, I look like a little bear. Hey guys. I actually kind of like the big sleeves. I look 7 years old. Looks like I'm like Santa Claus up here. I was really worried about the color. I'm not a brown type of girl really. But I think I just put myself on. Wow, there's so many items here. I'm excited. Wow. So, this is a big ass bag. I got this cute little belt from them. Where did my handy dandy scissors go? Oh, that's cute. Oh, I needed like more professional looking. Oh, they're so soft, you guys. I'm dying. Oh my god, both of them. Guys, I'm so excited. Wait, okay, so this is a little big. Maybe if I tuck it in. Okay, we're gonna pretend that this is tucked in well, and like I took time and effort to do this. This is like something I could wear to an interview, or my first day, or just it's something more obviously conservative, but it's also like, it's cute. We're gonna try on this bad boy. Oh, I already know this is gonna look so cute with the pants. So this is a sweater. I should probably show you all the clothing items before I put them on. Sorry. I will definitely put that in somewhere. Okay. Yeah, I should have done that. Fuck. Okay, well, I'm gonna go try this on. BRB. Wait, guys, there's no front or back tag. So how am I supposed to know how to put this on? We're gonna French tuck it. I know what that means because of tan friends. Shouts to Tan. Love you. Love what you're doing in America on Queer Eye. Love it. Okay. I like the sleeves actually, like a lot. It's comfy like a sweater, but then it's a tighter fit obviously around it because it's like I'm comfortable but I look professional at the same time. You know what I mean? Now, I'm a little nervous because white, like on my skin tone, I know this is gonna sound crazy, there are some shades of white that do not go with my skin tone. It's either too bright or it's either too this. I'm nervous. But on the other hand, it could look really good. So we're gonna try it. So this is a bodysuit from Zaful. Cute, white little, you know, okay. I'm not gonna bother putting the belt back on. Big step for me. This is a really cute look. This is like a good summer look. Look at it. Wait, this is really pretty. I like it. Okay, wow. Wait, I'm so happy. Okay. With high-waisted shorts, I can already see it. Oh, okay. So So these are the pants. These are them. They're kind of like, in the picture, when you put them on, I think they're more like sleek and professional looking, but we're gonna test that out. Do they look professional? So they're a little baggy. Maybe if we add the belt, it'll look more professional. I think so. But do you see like the bagginess in the thighs? It doesn't work for me, guys. Okay, thanks for watching.